Can you see me? I think that's pretty important. Okay. Make sure I'm like on the wall here. Hi. Again, oil your scalp and massage.
Just rub that on through. Rub that on through.
Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and get started on maintenance. To do my maintenance, I'm using hair ties, scarf, and clips, also hair mousse, gel, and edge control. You can use a mousse, but something with a pump like that. Now that we have the back done, it's time for the front. Didn't take that long, says about 20 minutes right there. I have very large locks, so there you go. You obviously want to use as many clips as you need. I only used about 4 because I'm lazy. On the perimeter, all over the perimeter, you want to use edge control because it's going to lay
Them babies down.
swipe, swipe, swipe all over your perimeter. That does not look pretty yet, but we want to get that all over your edges. So get as much as you need. If you didn't get enough, get more.
Okay.
And if your hair is not damp, you want to make sure it's damp throughout this entire process. If you need to, you can use a spray bottle with water to keep your hair damp. Since I just shampooed my hair, I don't need to spray my hair with anything. A little bit, and go ahead and grab at the section I'm getting ready to start with first. I use my fingernails, looking at a mirror behind here, to separate. Ow, ow, ow. Can you see that? Yeah. That does not feel nice. Okay. If you're very tender-headed, you can take some medicine for this part. If you don't have nails, you can also use the tip of a clip. So you go in and just clean up your line like so. Beautiful. Okay. So when you're doing your maintenance, I'm grabbing loose hair with my left hand and using my right hand to wrap the loose hair around. And then I take my hands and squeeze the palms together. If there's any excess, you can wipe that off on a towel and clip. And keep going. So you go through the part, clean up the part if you don't like that. Use our left hand to grab the loose hair, right hand to wrap, and then your palms to twist and roll, and then clip. Reapply product as needed. I can feel I have a good amount of product on my hair, but if you do need more, reapply. It's really about feel. You don't want to see product just squeezing through your locks. You can cause product buildup.
I'm almost there. My arms are so tired, it's not even funny. But we're going to keep on pressing because that's what I do for you guys. Come through, YouTube, come through.
When you're doing your maintenance, you want to make sure the hair is rolling to the right. So it should be sitting like it wants to sit on the right shoulder, not like it wants to sit on the left shoulder. So that means when I roll the hair, you can see that, twist around any loose hair, you want to roll it so it's going to the right. If I roll it to the left, you see how the hair is pulling this way and pulling in this way to the right. If I roll it to the left, the hair sits down this way. So your hair naturally grows out to the right. You can cause breakage and thinning if the hair is rolled in the wrong direction. Here with the back of my hair, I am only separating with my fingers. It's not as important to have clean parts because I can't see them. All right, so if you have any excess product that looks white and that's protruding through, you want to just kind of damp that off. If it's the gel, you don't want extra gel sitting in your hair.
Maintenance is done. Hey, feeling good already? Okay, yeah.
At this point, you want to sit under a dryer, let your hair dry. If you're going to wear it down, I'm not. If you're going to put it in a ponytail or style your hair, you can do all of those things at this point. If you're just going to wear it down, you can just wrap up the edges with your scarf. Cover your perimeter like so. Now that my hair is wrapped up, I can allow this to air dry or sit under a hair dryer to allow my hair to dry and the product to dry completely. If your product does not dry completely, your palm roll will not last. It's only rolled in place, so it will unravel once I start to sweat. Once life kicks in, I sleep, I sweat, pin up, take down. It's just moving around through that entire process. Also, if you leave your hair hanging down, it'll naturally unravel because there's nothing holding it in place. The best option, in my personal opinion, would be to put your hair up. That will help your palm roll last longer. Typically, palm roll lasts about a week to 2 weeks if your hair is in a style or not. If your hair is up in a style, palm roll can last a month. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press those buttons down here below. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. And I look forward to seeing you again. All right, come on back.